Your face isn't bigger because of fat. It's bigger because your body is holding fluid and inflammation. Right now, there's a sharper version of your face underneath, but your daily habits are covering it. Bad food, poor sleep, stress, instability. These signals tell your body to hold water and protect itself, and it shows up directly in your face. Your jawline fades, your cheeks expand, your presence weakens. But once you remove these triggers, your face changes faster than you think. In this video, you'll learn the 5 exact steps to debloat your face, fast and permanently, featuring a powerful bonus barely anyone knows, one that will permanently change your face. Ready for sharpness? Step 1. Inflammation is expanding your face without you realizing it. Most men don't realize inflammation is silently changing their appearance. They think their face is just naturally bigger, but inflammation causes swelling under the skin. It fills your face with fluid, softens your angles, destroys definition. Inflammation blurs masculine structure. This happens when your body detects constant irritation, sugar overload, alcohol, processed foods, sleep deprivation. Your immune system stays activated. Your body retains fluid as protection. Your face becomes fuller, heavier, less sharp, even if your actual fat level hasn't changed. This is why your face can look completely different depending on your lifestyle. Not genetics, signals. Your face reflects your internal environment. Here's how you reverse it. Remove inflammatory triggers immediately. Reduce processed sugar intake. Avoid constant junk food consumption. Prioritize consistent sleep, 7 to 9 hours. This allows your body to repair itself. When inflammation drops, fluid leaves your face. Your jawline becomes visible again. Not because you forced fat loss, because you removed the obstacle hiding it. Remove inflammation. Reveal definition. But inflammation is only one reason your face stays bloated. Your hydration habits also control whether your face holds fluid or releases it. Step 2. Your body stores water. When it doesn't trust you, your body is designed for survival. If it senses inconsistency, it holds resources, including water, especially in your face. This creates the swollen, soft look most men hate. Your body holds water when it feels unsafe. Ironically, dehydration makes this worse. When you don't drink enough water, your body compensates. It stores fluid instead of releasing it. Your face becomes puffy, your jawline disappears, your features lose sharpness. Here's the fix. Drink water consistently throughout the day, not randomly. Consistently. This sends a signal of stability. Your body stops holding excess fluid. It begins releasing it. Next, restore mineral balance. Eat foods rich in potassium. Potatoes, bananas, yogurt, vegetables. This helps regulate fluid distribution. Your system finds balance. Fluid retention decreases. Stability allows release. Within days, visible bloating decreases. Your face tightens naturally. Not from force, from trust. But there's another hidden reason your face looks softer than it should. Weak structural support. Subscribe for more masculinity fixes. Step 3. Weak muscles. Make your face look softer than it is. Your face is supported by muscle. When those muscles are inactive, your face looks less defined. Even if fat levels are low, weak muscles create weak definition. Modern life weakens these muscles. Soft foods require little effort. Poor posture deactivates stabilizers. Constant screen use pushes your head forward. This removes tension from your jawline and neck. Your face loses structural support. It appears softer. Here's how to fix it. Correct your posture. Keep your head aligned properly. This activates stabilizing muscles instantly. Next, stimulate your jaw muscles. Chew harder foods or gum regularly. This strengthens the muscles responsible for jawline shape. Over time, this increases visible structure. Structure comes from activation, but muscle alone isn't enough if your hormones are still telling your body to hold fat and fluid. And this is where most men sabotage themselves. Step 4. Chronic stress is locking fat and fluid into your face. Your nervous system controls fat storage. When stress stays elevated, cortisol rises. Cortisol tells your body to store energy, not release it. Stress locks fat in place. This affects your face directly. Fluid retention increases. Fat storage increases. Your facial definition disappears. Even if your overall health isn't terrible. Modern habits keep cortisol elevated constantly. Irregular sleep, overstimulation, constant digital input, no real recovery. Your body stays in defense mode. Here's how you reverse it. Sleep at consistent times. Consistency stabilizes hormone cycles. Reduce stimulation before sleep. Allow your nervous system to reset. Add daily movement. Walking helps regulate stress hormones naturally. Recovery creates release. When cortisol drops, your body releases stored fat and fluid, including in your face. Your natural definition returns. But none of this becomes permanent until you fix the most powerful signal of all, your nutrition. Step 5. Your nutrition determines whether your body stores fat or burns it. Most men eat in a way that keeps their body defensive. Highly processed foods, low nutrient density, unstable energy supply. Your body responds by storing fat, including in your face. Your body stores fat when your body feels undersupplied. Permanent debloating requires stable nutrition, not starvation. Stability. Start with whole foods: meat, eggs, fish, rice, potatoes, fruit, vegetables. These foods stabilize your internal environment. Your body feels safe. Next, increase protein intake. Protein protects muscle tissue. Muscle increases metabolic activity. Your body burns fat instead of muscle. Protein protects definition. And now the most surprising part. Healthy fats accelerate fat loss, not slow it. When you eat healthy fats, your hormones stabilize. Stable hormones allow fat release. Eat foods like egg yolks, olive oil, avocados, fatty fish, nuts. Healthy fats unlock fat burning. Your body stops storing emergency reserves. It begins using stored fat as fuel, including face fat. This creates permanent change, not temporary restriction. Permanent release, the bonus shift most men miss. Drain your face fast by activating your lymphatic system. Most men try to burn face fat first, but they ignore the fastest way to make their face look leaner immediately: draining trapped fluid. Because a huge part of facial bloating isn't fat, it's stagnant lymph fluid sitting under your skin. And if that fluid doesn't move, your face stays swollen, heavy, undefined. A blocked system creates a blocked jawline. Your lymphatic system is responsible for clearing waste and excess fluid. Unlike your heart, it has no pump. It relies on movement, pressure, activation. Modern habits shut it down. Too much sitting, too little movement, constant screen posture. Fluid gets stuck in your face. Your jawline disappears under it. Your cheeks look thicker than they actually are. But once you activate lymphatic flow, your face can change within minutes, not weeks. Minutes. Drain the fluid, reveal the structure. Here are the 3 most powerful ways to activate it. Exercise 1. Cold roller reset. Immediate tightening effect. Cold exposure forces fluid to move. It constricts tissue, reduces swelling, and instantly tightens your appearance. Here's how to do it. Use a cold roller or chilled metal face roller. Store it in your fridge, not freezer. Fridge is enough. Roll from the center of your face outward, from nose to ear, from cheek to ear, from jaw to ear. Always move toward the sides. This pushes fluid toward drainage points. Do this for 3 to 5 minutes every morning. Roll outward. Drain faster. Your face will look tighter immediately because you're physically removing trapped fluid, not waiting for fat loss. Exercise 2. Jawline sweep massage. Unlock hidden definition. This exercise clears fluid from your jaw and lower face, where most bloating hides. Use your fingers or a massage tool. Start under your chin. Apply gentle pressure. Sweep backward toward your ear. Slow and controlled. Repeat this motion 10 to 20 times per side. Sweep toward the exit. This encourages lymphatic drainage. Fluid leaves the jaw area. Your jawline becomes visible again, more defined, cleaner. This is one of the fastest visual upgrades possible. Exercise 3. Neck drain activation. The hidden key most men skip. Your neck is the drainage highway for your face. If it's tight or inactive, fluid stays trapped. Here's the fix. Place your fingers on the sides of your neck. Gently stroke downward from below your ear to your collarbone. Slow, controlled. Repeat 15 to 20 times. Clear the neck, clear the face. This opens the drainage pathway. Fluid moves out of your face efficiently, reducing puffiness dramatically. Why this works so fast? When lymphatic fluid moves, your face immediately looks tighter because you're removing excess volume, not waiting for fat loss. This is why your face can look different from morning to evening. Fluid levels change constantly. Your face shape changes with fluid movement, and a face that flows stays sharp. Your face reflects your signals, not your genetics. Your face responds to your habits. Inflammation, hydration, muscle activation, stress levels, nutrition quality. When you control them, your face transforms.